Hey, it's Kate or WTI. A great mascara is important to me. I want to have long, beautiful lashes, but especially on days when maybe I'm going for a more natural makeup look, I really like to at least be able to have my lashes lengthened. So I am really excited about this mascara that I found by Pacifica. It is their vegan collagen fluffy lashes mascara. So I love that it's vegan. I love that it's by Pacifica, which is a brand that I trust to have a really great quality product. And also it's got that boost of collagen. So I know I love having a boost of collagen in my body. So why not for my lashes too, right? It's so great for hair health. So I love this. And you can see that the wand, it's got nice spaces in between the brushes, so it's not going to clump. And I find that it does a great job of adding volume to my lashes. So I've had a really great experience with this mascara by Pacifica. I highly recommend it if you are looking for something that's going to make your lashes long and beautiful and fluffy and not clumpy. I really love this. I think you will too, but that's just my point of view.